What's up, everybody? It is Amrinder Singh, and today I'm gonna talk about basically what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna explain a Punjabi video, right? In this video, there's a Punjabi guy. He's talking about a fort. It's located somewhere else in India. He was talking about that fort, and yeah, he was talking it in Punjabi. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna not explain, basically I'm gonna remind you what I taught you in recent my podcast. There are a lot of colloquial way of talking I taught you, right? For example, I taught you how I talk in the past, when it used to had in past, used to have in the past, right? But not now, whatever. So in Punjabi we use hunda si, all right, hunda si, this kind of stuff. And another thing, like we don't use hai, right? We use ar, ga, whatever. And this guy is using this kind of stuff because that's how we talk. And I'm gonna mention this kind of stuff in this video so you can know actually that's how Punjabi people talk. So you can focus on those things. So it's gonna be easier for you to understand Punjabi, and you can also apply this kind of stuff in your speaking if you want. If you don't want, that's totally fine. You can stick to whatever you want. But for your listening, this is very important. So it's gonna be easier for you to understand Punjabi if you focus on these kind of things. You can also improve your listening, all right? Because it's not gonna be a textbook type, honestly. It's not gonna be like that most of teacher teach, all right? And this is so informal thing when we talk to each other. So I don't want to waste your any more time. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna play this video. By the way, I'll also put this video in the description. This video, the link in the description. If you wanna watch it, you can watch it, because if you wanna see this visual thing, what he is talking about, you can watch this video as well. I'm gonna put it in the description. So now, let's kick this thing off.
ਸ਼ੇਰ ਚੀਤਿਆਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਖਤਰਨਾਕ ਜੰਗਲ ਦੀ ਗੋਦ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਆ ਕਿਲਿਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਸੀਨੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਦਫਨ ਕਰੀ ਬੈਠਾ।
All right, so he was talking about Sher Chityan Wale Jungle, right? So what does that mean, Sher Chityan Wale Jungle? He said at the beginning, right? Sher means lion, right? Cheetah means kind of cheetah, or some people call it as a tiger, whatever, right? So he's talking about a forest where are lions and cheetahs, all right? That's what he's talking about. And he was talking about, he also said dafan kari baitha, bahut kuch dafan kari baitha. I don't know what he said, like what he said more about dafan. What is dafan? So dafan means like a what is inside, what is like a get inside. That's what he's talking about, all right? So let's listen more.
ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਆਪਾਂ। ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਲ ਹੈ। ਜਦੋਂ
All right, he said ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਲ ਆ, right? ਪਹੁੰਚਣਾ means arrive, reached. Mushkala is hard. So it's mean like it's pretty hard to like get in that place, all right? He said ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਲ ਆ. He used ਆ, all right? He didn't use had. That's what I teach all the time. That's what I say all the time in my podcast, because that's how we talk. We don't use hey and stuff like that. We use stuff like that, aga, stuff like that, right? So let's listen more.
ਦਿੱਲੀ ਜਿੱਤਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਨਾ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆ ਕਿਲਾ ਜਿੱਤਣਾ ਬੜਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ।
So he was talking about history, like if somebody wants to win a Delhi, which is the capital of India, then this killa means fort, right? Bada jaruri si. It means this fort was important to win if somebody wants to win Delhi, all right? That's what he's talking about, all right? And another thing, hundisi and hundasi, all right? Hundisi we talk about in past when it was used to have, but not now. So he's talking about like if somebody wants to, or wanted to. I think it's going to be better, wanted to. If somebody wanted to win a Delhi, right? He was talking about history. Then this fort was important to win, all right? Hunda si and Hindi si, that's what he was talking about. He was talking about past, all right? Jene.
ਤਾਂ
So he was talking about Jene ਦਿੱਲੀ ਜਿੱਤਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਫੈਮਿਨਿਨ ਵਰਡ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਜਿੱਤਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਕਿਲਾ ਜਿੱਤਣਾ ਬੜਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਰਾਈਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਐਂਡ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਦੈਟਸ ਵਾਟ ਹੀ ਵਾਸ ਸੇਇੰਗ ਇਨ ਦਿਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ
ਜਿੱਤਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ 30 ਮਣ ਦੇ ਗੋਲੇ ਦਾਗੇ ਗਏ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਟੁੱਟਿਆ
He was talking about titi man de gole dage. What is the one man? One man is kind of 40 kilo, right? In Punjabi, so we have measurement. This kind of if it's 40 kilo, it's called one man, all right? One man. He said titi man de gole dage. Gola means kind of. He was talking about basically in the past when there was a war in history, so they were like a firing with like a tanks. What not tanks? What I don't know what you call in English. In Punjabi we call it topa, right? So I can't find this word in English. What? Anyway, if you know what you call in top in English, basically what do you call top in English, just let me know. There is something. I think there's a word I know, but anyway, it's not coming in my mind right now.
ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਟਿਹਾ ਆਜੋ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ
He said, "Titi man de gole da ਅੱਗੇ ਗਏ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਟਿਹਾ." Alright, ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਟਿਹਾ means it didn't collapse. Alright, they fired on this fort a lot. Alright, but it didn't collapse. Teha means collapse. फिर we knee, he used knee teha. He used it as a negative knee. Alright, teha means collapse. It didn't collapse.
ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸਾਂਝੀ ਕਰਿਓ ਦਿਖਾਇਓ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕੀ ਘਟਿਆ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਨਾ
So he was talking about this video to show to your kids whatever and ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕੀ ਘਟਿਆ, right? ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕੀ ਘਟਿਆ. Now ਘਟਿਆ here doesn't mean like a it decreased, right? ਘਟਾਉਣਾ ਘਟ ਗਿਆ means less or decrease, something like that. ਘਟਿਆ means also what happened, right? ਕੀ ਘਟਿਆ, what happened, all right? And mostly I don't think we use this word one, like some people use it in talking katya. Mostly we say hoya, ki hoya. I think it also depends on the area. Maybe some people use it katya more, right? So basically katna means also happen. Ki katya, aj ki katya, it means what happened, all right? Hoya and katya same thing. Katna means also decreased, all right? It depends how it's used in sentences.
ਭੁੱਲਿਓ ਬਣੇ ਰਹੋ ਲਾਸਟ ਤੱਕ ਸੁਣੋ ਹਰਪੇਸ਼ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਤੋਂ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਕਿਲੇ ਦਾ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਹਾਂਜੀ
So he was talking about Sono Harpes, the Kia Escalada Ityas, right? So he basically now there's a guy Harpes Singh Sidhu who is in that place right now, and he's gonna tell something about this thing, all right? This forward. So let's listen what he says.
ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਵਕਤ ਮੈਂ ਰਣਥੰਭੋਰ ਦੇ ਕਿਲੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਿਸ਼ਾਲ
So he says Sasi Kal Saran whatever is waqt mein I don't know what fort name he said. They kille de vich, right? Is waqt means right now. I'm in that fort, and the name of the fort he's mentioned, I forgot. All right. So anyway, if you want to listen it, you can also watch it through the link, or you can also play back this my podcast so you can see what he named of this fort. All right.
ਜੰਗਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਨਦੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਘਿਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਇਹ ਕਿਲਾ ਵਾ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਤੇ
He said ਜੰਗਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਨਦੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਘਿਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿਲਾ ਗਾ or va. I don't know he used va or ga, but he used va or ga. And you notice he didn't use ha, he used ga and va. That's what I all the time tells. It tells all the time. I tell all the time. It's gonna be va or ga. But anyway, kirya means there are a lot of meanings. It depends, right? Here it's middle. It's a middle of forest and rivers. All right. So yeah, he was talking about that forward.
ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਰਣਥੰਭੋਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਿੱਤਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ
All right, so it's a Ramthambore. The killer name's Ramthambore. So he was talking about if somebody wanted to win a Delhi, he have to win. He had to win first the Ramthambore for right. Hundasi. Again, this guy is also using Hundasi. I think made a specific episode about Hundasi when we use Hundasi. All right. So Hundasi is something in the past used to have, but not right now, right? That's what he's talking about. He's talking about history. It's used to have in past. The people used to have to do this something if somebody wants to win a Delhi. That's what he's talking about.
ਦਿੱਲੀ ਤੇ ਰਾਜ ਤਾਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਰਣਥੰਭੋਰ ਨੂੰ ਜੇ ਕਬਜ਼ੇ 'ਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਸ਼ਕਤੀਸ਼ਾਲੀ ਰਾਜਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਰਾਜ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਚੌਹਾਨ
He's a Shaktisali Rajanda Raj Hunda si. Or Shaktisali. What does Shaktisali mean? Shaktisali means powerful, right? Powerful. Raji means kings. Rajanda Raj Hunda si. Alright, so he was talking about there was a kingdom of powerful kings. That's what it means, alright?
ਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਰਾਜ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਮੋਟੀ ਜੀ ਗੱਲ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਉਂ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਵੀ
ਮੋਟੀ ਜੀ ਗੱਲ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਉਂ ਦੱਸਦਾ what does that mean ਮੋਟੀ ਜੀ ਗੱਲ ਮੋਟੀ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ means talk so basically main thing so it means I'm going to tell you the main thing ਇਉਂ ਦੱਸਦਾ what does that mean ਇਉਂ here ਇਉਂ means like that or like this all right so he was basically mean like the main thing is like this all right? I'm gonna tell you main things like that so that's what he was saying
ਪ੍ਰਿਥਵੀ ਰਾਜ ਚੌਹਾਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇੱਥੇ ਈਸਟ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੱਕ ਦਾ ਰਾਜ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾ
or he was saying Prithvi Raj Chauhan Towal. Who was the Prithvi Raj Chauhan? It was the one of king of India. All right. I'm not sure he was on the whole India, whatever, but he was a king of India. It is, I think, maybe thousands years ago. I don't know. He said he also run his kingdom here, and East India Company, which was maybe a lot of you guys know. He was from not he this company East India Company from Britain all right he also run his his or their kingdom whatever their kingdom on this fort all right that's what he's talking about
ਦੌਰਾਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਹਮਲੇ ਹੋਏ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੌਤਬਦੀਨ ਐਬਕ ਸ਼ੇਰਸ਼ਾਹ ਸੂਰੀ ਇਲਤੁਤਮਿਸ਼ ਵਰਗਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਹਮਲੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਆ
all right he was talking about on this fort a lot of people attacked on this fort all right that's what he's talking about and he also mentioned a couple of names who attacked on that I think but I don't remember what name he was mentioning all right but he was talking about that thing
ਚਾਲ ਕੇ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਰਨ ਸਵਾਈ ਮਾਧੋਪੁਰ ਤੋਂ 12 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਦੀ ਦੂਰੀ ਤੇ ਪੈ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਸਵਾਈ ਮਾਧੋਪੁਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ
so he was talking about some 12 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਦੀ ਦੂਰੀ ਤੇ ਪੈ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸਵਾਈ ਮਾਧੋਪੁਰ ਤੋਂ ਸਵਾਈ ਮਾਧੋਪੁਰ maybe there was a city whatever he was talking about so he was saying like it's a 12 kilometer away from that city ਸਵਾਈ ਮਾਧੋਪੁਰ something like that
ਪੈਂਦਾ ਇਹ ਰਾਜਸਥਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਕਿਲਾ ਵਿਖਾਉਣਾ
he said ਇਹ ਰਾਜਸਥਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ what is the Rajasthan is a one of state of India right so this fort is located in Rajasthan that's what he was saying
ਇਹ ਉਹ ਕਿਲਾ ਵਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅਕਬਰ ਦੇ ਵੇਲੇ 30 ਮਣ ਦੇ ਗੋਲੇ ਤੋਪਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਦਾਗੇ ਗਏ ਸੀਗੇ ਇਹ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਫਾ
all right 30 ਮਣ ਦੇ ਗੋਲੇ ਦਾਗੇ ਗਏ ਸੀ right it got attacked with gola gola means kind of rocket not rocket I don't know basically nowadays if I tell you like army any country army have tanks right when they attacked on the tank with the tanks so in old history so people have like another kind of tanks whatever there was not who basically they use something what they use to fire on like a other army so they have like a big rock into shit I don't know how to explain it anyway so let's move on
ਉਹ ਸਮਾਂ ਸੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹਨੇ ਗੋਲਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਸਵਾਦ ਚੱਖਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਵਿਸ਼ਾਲ ਕੰਧਾਂ ਨੇ ਟਾਈਗਰ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਆਮ ਹੀ ਨੇ ਅੰਦਰਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਵੀ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ
So he said Vishal Kandani. What is the Vishal? It's an academic word. Vishal means a big, huge, right? Huge. He could also say Vadiyan Kandani, but Vadiyan is kind of normal, people say. It's kind of big. Vadiyan means big. But Vishal is really huge. Huge Kandani. Kanda means walls. He is talking huge walls of this fort, right?
ਇੱਥੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਰਾਜਾ ਹਮੀਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਰਾਜ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਹਮੀਰ ਦੇਵ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਰਾਜ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ, ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਦਿਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਅੱਜ
So he said ਇੱਥੇ ਰਾਜਾ ਹਰਮੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਰਾਜ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ. So he was talking about some one king Harmeet Singh. He also like run his kingdom there. So that's what he was talking about in this video, right? So let's listen more.
ਗੱਲਾਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਤੁਰੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਆਓ ਚੱਲ ਗਏ ਦਰਸ਼ਕੋ।
So he said ਆਓ ਚੱਲੀਏ. ਆਓ ਚੱਲੀਏ means let's go, all right?
ਦੱਸਦਾ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰਣਥੰਭੋਰ ਆ ਨਾ ਕਿਲਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਘਿਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਏਰੀਆ ਵਾ, ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 60 ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਦੇ।
He said ਯਾਰ ਰਣਥੰਭੋਰ ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਘਿਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਏਰੀਆ ਦਾ something like that. Area va. He did va, right? I keep mentioning he did va. Nobody just have, right? If I would be there, I would use kiryaga because that's what we use in my area, right? So people in Punjab they use va ga, something like that.
ਗਿਰਦ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 50-60 ਤੱਕ ਕਿਲੇ ਹੀ ਪੈ ਜਾਂਦੇ, ਮਤਲਬ ਇੰਨਾ ਨੇੜੇ ਤੇੜੇ ਅੱਡ ਕਿਲਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਘਿਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਵਾ, ਪੱਥਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਬਣਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ, ਚਾਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਦੇ ਕਿਲੇ ਹੀ ਕਿਲੇ ਨੇ, ਪਾਣੀ ਵਿਸ਼ਾਲ, ਪਾਣੀ ਨਦੀਆਂ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਕਾਫੀ ਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ, ਤੇ ਹਮਲੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਵੱਡੇ ਹਮਲੇ ਹੋਇਆ। ਕਿਸੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਦਾ ਨਾ ਰਤਨਪੁਰ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਇਸ ਕਿਲੇ ਦਾ ਨਾ। ਸੋ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਰਣਥੰਭੋਰ, ਰਣ ਮਤਲਬ ਵੀ ਰਣ ਤੇ ਥੰਮ ਬੋਰ, ਮਤਲਬ ਰਣ ਤੇ ਥੰਮ ਦੋ ਪਹਾੜੀਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਇਹ ਕਿਲਾ।
So basically he's just talking about this fort, like he was basically describing his name, how it was named, whatever. So yeah, that was it. So I just want to show you how Punjabi people talk normally, even it was not completely informal because he was explaining things. I think he was a little bit more clear in his speaking. But like if somebody is talking to each other, I think they would be more informal. So it's gonna be a little bit harder for you all guys to understand. So I think this is, I think sweet spot, not sweet spot, not swat. I think this is sweet spot, right, for you because this is not like a totally like a textbook style, and this is not totally like a informal, which is really hard to understand. I think this was more kind of even informal, but it was a little bit more clear, right? So because he wants to be clear as much as possible, because he was explaining things, all right? So yeah, that's what I just want to show. So you can maybe learn some kind of vocabulary when I was explaining things in English. But like if you want to listen it more, and if you want to watch this video, maybe you can get something more. I'm gonna put this video in the description, all right? So I can't explain all the video because it's gonna take a lot of time, and so I think this video is a little bit longer. So this video is 20 minutes, all right, 20 minutes long, and I only explained less than 3 minutes, so you can imagine it. So it's gonna be like a 4 or 5 hours video if I have to explain the whole thing. But anyway, so that was it. If you want to watch it, you can watch it. Link is in the description.